Welcome back everybody to Heather's East Kitchen. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious sweet turkey Italian sausage. These sausages are really easy to make. They are very delicious. And for those of my non-pork eaters, this is definitely a good alternative to some delicious Italian sausage. Alright, so those of you who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push that bell notification so you'll be notified of all future uploads. So now we're going to go ahead and start these sausages. You want to start off with a warm pan, guys. You don't want to cook into a cold pan when you drop your sausages. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil to cook these sausages in. You don't need a lot. I would say if you want to measure, just use about 2 to 3 tablespoons full of olive oil. Alright, so once your pan is heated and you let your olive oil heat up a little bit, you want to go ahead and start putting your sausage into the pan. Alright, so we're going to start seasoning up these sausages. I'm using onion powder to start off with. We're going to be using the onion powder, the sea salt, some pepper, and some garlic powder. That's the only seasoning we're going to be using for these turkey sausages. Alright, so now that your sausages are all seasoned, you want to go ahead and let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side. And then you want to go ahead and flip them. And you're going to let the other side cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then we're going to start adding in some of our fresh vegetables. Okay, so now that the sausages have been cooking for about 8 minutes, you want to go ahead and start adding in your vegetables. I'm going to add my green peppers first, guys. There's no rhyme or reason of how you do this in the order. I do like a lot of green peppers and I also like a lot of onions, but you can add as much or as little as you like. All right, now that you got all your ingredients in the pan, you want to put the lid on and let this simmer for about another 8 minutes. Once your vegetables start to get tender, you want to go ahead and start adding them seasonings in there again, guys. We're using the onion powder again, the sea salt, the black pepper, as well as the garlic powder, because that's going to get the vegetables seasoned. We didn't add a lot in the beginning, but now we're going to add some more because that's going to help balance everything out and give it that really awesome taste. Okay, so now with the seasoning on top of everything, guys, you want to go ahead and give it a good little stir. You want to stir it up to make sure that everything is combined together into the pan with the olive oil, the peppers, the sausages, and then you want to put the lid back on and let it cook for about another 5 to 6 minutes. And right, now that we let everything simmer, guys, these sausages are complete. This meal was done in less than 30 minutes. Very quick, very easy, and very, very delicious, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.